It is the first time that we talk about this website, but it is a great way to make a decent amount of money just for watching videos. There is no secret that we all watch videos most of the time. You are watching a video even right now. Then why don't we use this in our own favor? Imagine being paid whenever you're watching a YouTube video. Crazy, right? But it is possible. You can be on the beach, drink your cocktail, and make money while you're lying on the couch. Travel and be wherever you want and keep making money. But before we dive into today's topic, make sure to hit the like button and consider subscribing to this channel if you're interested in making money online. Also hit the notification bell so you can be the first person who learns for the method and the strategy and get advantage of being the first. And before I show you the website that will pay you only for watching videos, let me know in the comment section below which country do you live in, so I can find websites, apps, and methods that will work in your country. So guys, let's start, but first, intro. So this is the website that is going to pay us just for watching videos. And don't worry, it won't pay you in cards, Bitcoin, or other things which can't be used. It will give you pure cash. And I think that cash is the king. All you have to do is just watch the videos and then you can see your money in your PayPal account. So let's pay attention here. As you can see, they're paying for different things. They want to pay for answering surveys, finding great deals, etc. And those are some additional ways of making money. But this is not our case. We will be focusing on watching videos and we will get paid for it. We will get paid for things that we usually do, and here you can see that they're paying for surfing on the web. All you have to do is just open Google and search for different things, but anyway, let's focus on our topic. This is my favorite one because you don't have to actively watch those videos and be there all the time. You can keep doing whatever you do and just play the video and let it place there without watching it and spending your time. You don't have to be in front of your phone or your computer. You can just let the video play in the background while you're taking care of your own things. As you can see, they will send the money to your PayPal account, and that's why you need to have one to collect your money. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Step number 1. Find and complete your mission. I'm going to explain step by step in details what you need to do. Just make sure to watch this video till the end. You will have everything from answering surveys to watching videos. Step number 2. Watch your earnings grow in your account. Step number 3. Cash out early, easily, and often. They have a really quick payout. You don't need to wait days, months, or even years to be paid, because this website offers the lowest threshold on the market and they deposit your money quickly, securely, and conveniently, starting at just $5 at a time. So literally you don't need to have $100, $500, or even more to get your payout. They will pay you immediately after the $5. So the name of this website is Cashkickcom. But don't go straight forward to the website because there are some details that you need to know, and also I'm going to give you some extra tips that will let you make some extra money. Make sure to stay till the end and pay attention to the fact that the word cash is written with the letter K, not C. And also, to prove you that this website is legit, here you can find some testimonials of the users. You can see that actually people make money by using this website. If you're interested, you can just go to the website and read all the testimonials. I've made some researches on Google as well, and people are really satisfied by using this website, and there is really high rating. So guys, you won't become a millionaire by using this website, but at least you will be making some cash just for watching videos, something that we all do almost all the time. So in order to start with this website, all we need to do is just fill your email address here, then choose a password for your account and then click get started now. So the next website that will pay you for watching videos is CreationRewards.net. Just search for this website and bear in mind that if you use more of those websites, you will be making more money. So make sure to be tuned so you can use all the websites that will pay you just for watching videos, and I'm going to share with you on this video. So CreationRewards.net is my favorite one because it will pay you $5 from the beginning just for signing up. I think it is great. You can earn money by watching videos on this website, and also you can earn money from different tasks as well. Personally, the reason that I am really focused on making money just by watching videos is because for me it is a passive way of earning money. Because basically you don't need to be there. You just click the play button and it is enough. Now, if you scroll a little bit down, you will see the other ways of making money by using this website. You can try some of them or even all of them if you have some extra time to spend here on this website. You can take daily surveys, shop online, explore websites, try offers, and much more. They give you gift cards to your favorite stores such as Amazon, Walmart, but if you decide that you don't actually need those gift cards and you prefer cash instead of it, just like me, then you can get your payout by using PayPal. It is simple, easy, and fun. But bear in mind that you cannot actually make a fortune by using those websites. But I think it is a great way of making money. I mean, who else pays you for watching videos? It is simple and fun. This is a really lazy way of making money. You can still lie in your bed and make money. Now, if you pay more attention, you can actually see that they've been on the web for 18 years. It is like forever. And this gives you the sign that actually those guys are not scammers. They're legit. If they were scammers, they would disappear in 2001 probably, but they are still here. They are still working and people are still making money with their websites. So here's how you can create your account on CreationRewards.com. You need to write a real email address, then you have to choose the country that you come from, and finally you can write a unique password and confirm it again, and then just click on I am not a robot and click on register now. So the next website which is going to pay you for watching videos is called CreationRewards.net. Make sure to use all the websites that I'm sharing here on this video to maximize your earnings. On CreationRewards.net, you can make money by answering surveys, watching videos, and playing games as well, which is pretty fun way of making money too, because almost everyone does it, even when no one pays you for it. Just consider trying this one as well, and also you can make money by shopping too. So here's a quick reward. No minimum for PayPal. This is great. It doesn't matter how much money you make, you will get it to your PayPal account. Minimum payout is 1 cent. It means that you can withdraw your money whenever you want. Also, you can see that you can earn free Amazon gift cards and free in-store gift cards to nearly 50 national retailers and restaurants including Walmart, Disney, Target, Home Depot, Red Lobster, Kohl's, Domino's Pizza, Best Buy, GameStop, and more. So if you don't want free PayPal money, you can definitely choose one of those things here. So you can see that this website has been here for a long time, like from 2002 till now, and I've made lots of researches on Google, and I've seen that actually lots of people are really grateful that they can use this website, and they are sharing that they've made a decent amount of money just by using it, which is great. So all you need to do is just click on create an account, and then you can start making money just by watching videos or playing games. I wouldn't recommend you to try surveys because they're asking really boring questions, and I don't know, I'm not that kind of a person, so I would go with playing games and watching videos as well. So guys, those were the 3 websites that will pay you just for watching videos. Make sure to use all of them to maximize your earnings. If you think that this video gave you a value, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for new videos like this one. And be the first one who gets the info. So guys, that was everything that I wanted to share with you. Have a nice day.